We're here at the Westridge High School today to give an update on the construction so far. Behind me here you'll see what we call the classroom wing. There's two wings in the front that are classrooms, and then behind the building here that you'll see starting construction is the gym and the cafeteria and the auditorium. And so right now we are in the process of still continuing to grade. We have the field house over here, and we've got metal studs going, electrical, mechanical, and plumbing, and we have insulation, and we're getting ready to start the brick. So as soon as you see the brick going up, it'll really change shape. And also in the rear buildings that we were talking about, whenever we start the steel will actually be higher than the front buildings, about 10 feet, and you'll really be able to see that well from the interstate. This is the main entrance here. You'll see it's popped up. That's an atrium that will have a skylight as well, so it'll let a lot of natural light in. And one of the things that we wanted to do is we wanted to make sure whenever you went into the building you would have a wow factor. So you'll see the robotic slabs, and you'll also see along the front there where you see the windows, that is the criminal justice and HOSHA, and so that's health sciences, so that whenever you first come into the building you'll be able to see all of the CTE courses. The area that I was talking about, that's the HOSHA, which is health and science. The thing that we talked about was because of security. So if you're a teacher standing here, you can see all the way down this hallway, all the way down this hallway, who's coming in, and down. The ramp up to the remainder of the building. So in order to save a little money grade-wise, this is 4 feet lower than the rest of the building. So as you go up this ramp, you're going to enter up into the media center. What you see back here, you're going to come on up into the cafeteria. And the cafeteria has doors and such that they can open up. The media center can be opened up so that it feels like all one space. And then the area over here is the gym. We've got about half done. We've got this whole back half to do still. What we're looking at now is the field house. And so the second floor is what they're working on right now. There's a level underneath it. And further and beyond, if you look way on back, you can kind of see a bank. That'll be the far bank of the football stadium. Where you see the black pipe over there, just beyond that is the baseball field. Okay, so the black pipe is kind of sitting it's sitting in the student parking. And then further and beyond is baseball, softball, and soccer, and the tennis courts.
I'm kind of blown away with it, quite honestly, to be on site. This is the first time I've been here, and it's just massive. And the amount of work that's been done is huge, and what we've got left is huge. So it's an exciting project. Dr. Cox and I were just talking, probably the biggest single grading project we've had in Sullivan County in many, many years.
Can't wait for the public to get to see what's going on here. Every time I leave, I'm just breathless with what I see. It's moving very quickly. Very soon we'll have it dried in now, so that we'll be able to work there in any kind of weather. It's really something to see in person. Pictures don't